leather box, different restaurants. They are PPP, private public partnerships that are constructed by different private investors. So we start from special order of it is 1950 Italian Fiat model. That means 70 years old car, special order of Emperor Haile Selassie. Emperor Haile Selassie was using this car when he went out of the town, specifically where he used to have local palaces, to Adama, to Bishoftu, to Ambo, Fiche. It is fully accommodated car that has bedroom, dining table, meeting hall, bathroom, as well as shower. Wow. It is fully accommodated car. As you know, Emperor Haile Selassie believes that he is the descendant of Solomonic dynasty. That's why he put Lion of Judah. The name of this car was called Auraris. Auraris means, in Amharic, it means rhinoceros. The horses that put the one we saw downstairs were trained by this state coach, but in the same time, if two leaders visited Ethiopia, the emperor was welcoming one leader with the one we saw down the stairs and another leader with this one. You see many monograms of the emperor on it. The Star of David with cross in the middle to show Ethiopian religious system is converting from Judaism to Christianity. You see Star of Trinity. Is monogram that says Kahas. Kahas means Kadamawi Haile Selassie. That means Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Here you see also his coat of arms, imperial coat of arms, that shows the authority of the emperor and the sovereignty of the country. The most visible colors are red, yellow, green, and the green. It is also symbolic representation of Ethiopian flag too. Amphibious car that can go on land as well as on water. It is 1964 West German model. It is called 770 to show it goes on land 70 km per hour and on water 7 km per hour. We call this one the precious car we have in this collection. Not by the money spent to buy this car, because of the company that produced this car was functional from 1961 up to 1968 only. They were functional for 7 years. They only produced 3,878 cars. America bought more than 3,050 cars. Only 830 cars were distributed and sold for other countries. Ethiopia bought 3 of them. Nobody knows where the tools are. It is the only left car in Ethiopia. That's why, because of this rare car, that's why we call the precious car we have in this model. It is West German model. It has propeller at the back. To go safely on water, it has propeller on both sides at the back. Next, you see maroon, silver, all-weather Rolls-Royce. We call this car the modern Rolls-Royce of Emperor Haile Selassie because of this model. It has 2 flag sticks, 2 radios. Emperor Haile Selassie used to hoist Ethiopian flag on the right and the visiting country's flag on the left. He welcomed many leaders. It is a convertible car too. He welcomed many leaders in this car. The trains that Emperor Haile Selassie was using when he was going to Dredawa. Dredawa is at the eastern part of Ethiopia. It is one of the federal city of Ethiopia. And when he was going to Djibouti, this one is a gift from Queen Elizabeth of England. This one is 100 years, more than 100 years old train because of it is 1902 model. This one is 1954 model. This one is a totally wooden train. It is made up of only wood. This one is a mixture of wood and method, you can come through this way. It is also fully accommodated chain. It has bathroom, kitchen, meeting hall, dining table, working library, working office, bedroom for the emperor, bedroom for his wife, room for his guards, for his workers. It is fully accommodated chain. All the materials you are seeing in these trains are the original materials of the to Ethiopia too. The decoration you saw, the decoration you see on the body of the state coach was decorated for Emperor Haile Selassie's 25th coronation anniversary. It is pulled by a group of 6 horses. He welcomed Queen Juliana of Netherlands, Richard Nixon of America, Queen Elizabeth of England, and the all African Union founding fathers of this state coach. But African Union founding fathers were not happy to be welcomed by this state coach. Why? Because of this one is European model. There is a kind of colonization between African countries and Europe. That's why they resisted. But Emperor Haile Selassie was one of the wise persons of that time. He answered, even though this material is from Europe, the horses that pull this stagecoach are Ethiopia.
Very nice visit. I like it.
How do you see the significance of the palace and representing African history,
Oh, look, he's running up.
African Union,
I'm not running.
and just promote Pan-Africanism? How do you feel?
I feel good. You can see that many countries here are represented. The history doesn't only speak for Ethiopia, but for the entire Africa. So it's 100% recommend everyone to be here, and it's a really Pan-African museum. And